Hello, this is Daryl at Passing Lane Motors, and today we are offering up a beautiful 1963 Ford Falcon Futura convertible. We got a really nice little convertible Falcon here. It's got a brand new top on it, all new wheels, all new tires. The little car has a really straight body on it, all original fenders, both front and rear. Has the original hood and scoop. All the chrome is original on the car. We got original chrome on the front and on the bumpers. The sides of the car are not bad, a little wavy, but they are all original pans, so they haven't been repaired yet or replaced. I'd like to show you the top today. Take this top off. It does have a power top. And the top is all brand new. Get in here and start it up. You hear it run. Little car's got a straight 6 in it. All original gauges. And she fires right up. The car runs great. Fuel gauge works. Temperature gauge, both the signals both work on the car. Has a horn button. And then the power top, down is up. The top is brand new. We just had a brand new top put on the car, so it is brand new. The well inside there is also lined and brand new. Door panels are nice. It's very nice interior. Put the top back down, so up is down. The doors close really easy, they don't hang. It's got brand new tires on it. We just put brand new bigger wheels, 14-inch wheels instead of the 13s. Excuse me here. Oh, sorry about that. Here's the little engine running. Very nice and clean engine compartment. Everything's been redone. The little engine's all been reworked. We won't win any quarter-mile races, but it's got brand new shocks, both front and rear. New battery, all new brakes all the way around. The engine compartment is very nicely detailed. New air cleaner, new caps, new rotor, new distributor. And we'll show you the trunk here real quick. As far as the paint goes, there's a little scratch, some little Bondo right there. Still has the original flip up thing for the trunk. See if I can find the key for it. And in the trunk, it comes with a spare wheel. These are the original fenders on the inside. Original fender over here. It's got a little bit of the undercoating that was on it starting to come off, but it's all original. In here, these are the original pans. Still has all the factory welds still in the car. The tank is in real nice shape. Has a car cover that goes with it. And we've got all original pans and original welds on this side. Show you the little car one more time. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura convertible. Don't forget to call Daryl at Passing Lane Motors at 636 600 1140. A couple other of our nice pieces that we got sitting outside today. And let me show you our new banquet hall and dining facility. This is our new, we have a little bit of construction going on, but this is our new dining and bar area. And then we are able to set tables all up out in the middle. And we do have an indoor movie theater. And we have a workshop back in the back. So please don't hesitate to call 636-600-1140. Thank you.